Let's look into this remaining information towards general principles and isolation of elements, which is also known as metallurgy. Yes, which technique is used in the manufacturing of aluminium from bauxite? Aluminium from bauxite, what is observed? Al2O3 with Kf and aluminum fluoride and Kf, or sodium fluoride and potassium fluoride, Na3Al6, nothing but Na3Al6. Cryolite is added, sodium fluoride or potassium fluoride, calcium fluoride, better to write. This is plus calcium fluoride and cryolite. These are added and make a non-conducting fused Al2O3 into conducting material by adding these two and perform electrolysis. Electrolytic reduction is observed, that is. Let's see into this question. After partial roasting, the sulfide of copper is reduced by sulfide, yes, that is Cu2 yes plus Cu2O. After roasting, mutual reduction is happening, nothing but self-reduction is observed, 62, and this is blister copper. 98% copper is produced in this case, which is known as blister copper, that is self-reduction or mutual reduction. In the metallurgical extraction of zinc from ZnO, carbon monoxide is a good reducing agent. You studied in your material above 1100 or 1000 Kelvin temperature. So that is 64, 63. What is your opinion? Carbon monoxide and carbon at different temperatures, both are used as reducing agents to reduce zinc oxide into metallic zinc. So answer 1. Aluminium is extracted from alumina, yes, it is on the board, by molten mixture of electrolysis of molten, because it is a bad conductor. Its conductance is increased by adding fluorspar CaF2 and Na3Al6. Na3Al6, this is correct. So the right combination is this one, and options are not given here. So combination is 64. Combination is Al2O3, bad conductor of electricity, its conductance is increased by cryolite, Na3Al6 is cryolite, and to decrease the melting point, CaF2 fluorspar is also added. That method is known as electrometallurgical process. Now come to identify the reaction that does not take place in the blast furnace of iron. Fe2O3, carbon gives iron and carbon dioxide is wrong. That is carbon monoxide. So that is the wrong step. CO2 gases are produced from CaCO3. They are passed over coke and form carbon monoxide is correct. CaCO3 is decomposed in the middle of the blast furnace to give carbon dioxide, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide are used as a flux to remove silica impurity in the form of a slag, CaSiO3. So B, C, D are correct, but this is wrong. In which case? In this case it is wrong. So that is the information in the 65th question. What is the correction? CO2 is wrong, CO is correct. Yes. Once again, bauxite ore is made up of Al2O3, that is called white bauxite, red bauxite are there. So it is a white bauxite, Al2O3, titanium oxide and silica are the impurities along with iron oxides. So it is red bauxite. It is a bauxite, leave it. Iron oxide present, that is red bauxite, silica is present, that is white bauxite. Here bauxite is taken and it is acetated with sodium hydroxide solution, leaching agent. Then what is produced? Yes, Al2O3 soluble in NaOH, SiO2 soluble in NaOH, Fe2O3, TiO2 are not soluble. They are filtered, they are separated by filtration. So in the form of NaAlOH taken 4 and Na2SiO3, both are formed, and this is insoluble, this is insoluble. These are separated by filtration. So 66, third option is correct. This is leaching process what you observe, and the name of the compound is sodium aluminate, NaAlOH taken for a complex, soluble complex is formed Al2O3 and NaOH. In electrolytic refining of metals, electrolysis of an aqueous solution of its complex salt is done with the impure metal as anode and a strip of pure metal as cathode. This is electrolysis method to refine the metal into pure form 99.98%. This method cannot be used in the refining of which metal? That is zinc metal easily evaporated. So in case of zinc, this electrolysis method is not used in case of zinc. Remaining cases: impure silver anode, pure silver cathode, impure copper anode, pure copper cathode, impure aluminum anode, pure aluminum cathode. This is the method you observed in this case. So answer 67. 67. Fourth, zinc cannot be purified in this case, refined in this case. Hydrometallurgical process of extraction of metal is based on hydrometallurgy is followed by silver and gold metals. Yes, that is by formation of complex. What are the complexes? Silver forms silver complex, AgCl twice plus minus, and AuCl twice minus. AuCl twice minus. These are complexes formed. These are complexes formed with cyanide. This is a cyanamide process and cyanide process, that is. So answer is complex formation is the right idea, hydrometallurgical process by silver and gold. Yes, what is the correct answer? 68. Come back. 68 answer is hydrometallurgy. First one. Complex formation, that is, what is a complex? Dicyanosilverate 1 and dicyanoarate 1. Argentate 1, arate 1. Right. The temperature of the slag zone, in this case, slag zone. Yes, this is at higher temperatures where molten metal is formed, and this is the right temperature, 800 to 1000 degrees centigrade temperature is right one, where CaO combined with silica impurity and form an insoluble information, that is calcium silicate is slag flux. This is flux, this is GaN, and this is slag. This is happening in blast furnace in the extraction of iron. So answer is 800 to 1000 degrees centigrade, 69. Third option, that is factual information learned from the textbook. Van Arkel method is used to refine zirconium and titanium. Zirconium, titanium are refined by Van Arkel method. As what is formed? A volatile unstable compound is formed. Volatile unstable. Now volatile unstable compound that is decomposed into metal is the idea. So answer 70. Second one. Non-volatile not correct, and none of these already removed. 1, 2, 3 competition is there. Volatile stable is wrong. Volatile unstable is correct. Zone refining. What is zone refining, dear students? Zone refining is, yes, this is heating with heating facilities there in the form of zone is taken, and over the impure metal, what is kept? Heating one is heating coil is there. In heating coil, impurities are coming to the melt, and as melt is moving on from one end to another end, the impurities are coming more soluble in melt than in solid form. Is a principle in zone refining, and that is used to prepare ultra pure metal or semiconductors. That is, aluminum is not that case. Okay, that is not in that way melted. So answer 71. Third option, ultra pure metals are produced. refining is used for the purification of semiconductors like germanium and silicon. So 72, germanium, silicon, third option is correct. Yes, in order to refine blister copper, already I mentioned blister copper, it is melted in furnace and is stripped with green logs. Green logs means as plants cut into pieces the trunks of the plant, and the purpose of this one is coming back to expel dissolved gases is wrong, to bring the impurities to surface is wrong, to increase the carbon content is wrong, to reduce the metallic oxide impurities. Yes, in hot condition the green logs of wood form hydrocarbons. Those hydrocarbons reduce metallic oxides into metal. So that is the main purpose, which is also known as poling, and fourth one is correct. Gold is extracted. This is 73. As gold is extracted. Gold is extracted by a hydrometallurgical process based on its property. On which property? Yes, of being electropositive, of being less reactive, to form complexes which are, yes, to form salts which are water soluble. Here also. To form complexes which are water soluble. Already I recorded. That is disaниdo, silverate 1, disaниdo, argentate 1. These are the complexes in case of gold and silver. So third option is correct. Right. Difference in density is the basis of difference in densities. Yes, where is it observed? Ultrafiltration is not worked. Molecular sieving is not worked. Gravity separation is there. Gravity separation is based on heavier density particles are settled at the bottom. Lighter density particles are float along with the stream of water. So it is absorbed, and answer is 75. Third option 76. Come to 76. The method not used in metallurgy to refine the impure metal is, yes, not used in metallurgy. Mons process for nickel, that is correct, dear students. Van Arkel method, zirconium, titanium, correct. Amalgamation is an alloy formation is difficult, dear students. Liquation, as the metal is converted into liquid and impurities are separated, hence amalgamation is not helpful in this case. So 76, third option is not a method to extract or to refine the metal. Which method is used to get very pure germanium? That is already we worked, as these semiconductors are prepared by using zone refining. Zone refining, that is direct information. Yes. As this is the last video. Van Arkel method used refining zirconium and titanium involves removal of all oxygens and nitrogen impurities is the right information, dear students. 78.1. That is the end of the program. As being prepared well, all the best in future attempts.